First snowblowing video, winter of 2024-25. Not quite as much as the last snowblowing videos, but well, not even a third. But there's still quite a bit. I think it's about probably a foot and a half in some places, except for I drove up and down the driveway 3 or 4 times yesterday to go do some errands and to come get me, my wife to come get me from work. I got home yesterday morning. But yeah, in unpacked places there should be about a foot and a half. So hope you enjoy. I knew I was going to run into this problem. Driving up and down the driveway so much created such big ruts. Or no, not ruts, but humps. And then the snowblower, it was around freezing yesterday. Now it's -10. or about 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and it just froze them as little humps, and I can't get back straight over them, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of back and forth work here. So I'll just pause it till I get halfway decent here. Should put the shoes all the way down, but I'm scared of hitting lots of rocks because of the work I did on the driveway this year. We'll see. It's pretty easy getting out. The snow was like almost ice underneath where I was driving with the car yesterday, so I just slid the tractor over. Anyway, here we continue. Yeah, the skis are just, the shoes are just too high. I'm not getting down enough, and it's making driving not so good because there's too much snow, and these yard tractors don't maneuver very good in snow. So you kind of got to get rid of it in order to back up. And with the shoes being so high, it's not doing a very good job, especially with those tire track humps. So I will make a part 2 and a part 3 probably. After lunch. I'm gonna go charge up the camera. Actually, I'm gonna make this a little longer. I'm gonna drop those skis right now. Finish up this. And then go charge up the phone. Got that done. Tell you one thing, that tractor did not want to start this morning. I thought I was gonna kill the battery for sure. She just caught on the last rotation. It seemed. It was good. Probably, well, it felt like a minute, but it was probably like 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Just cranking over. I haven't used it in, probably 2 months. So, yeah. But, and I've had this battery for probably 4 or 5 years now. I hear all these people saying they replace batteries on every year, but I've had this 4 or 5 years, use it all year round, hot, dead heat of summer and cold of winter. Anyway, get back to the snow blowing. working much better now. If it wasn't for those 2 tire tracks, we'd be doing good. Picking up a few more rocks, but not very many. It's pretty packed down. I think the I think we got more yesterday than what it looks like, but the cold and how wet it was packed it down a bit. But we'll do probably 2 more parts, one going down the driveway to the road and one going up the driveway. See how that goes. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in part 2.